Having trouble with a paper jam on your HP Smart Tank printer? You're not alone. This video will guide you through clearing the E4 error and getting your printer back in action quickly. We'll show you how to tackle the jam from both the input and output trays, ensuring no hidden paper scraps cause future issues. Plus, we'll cover a neat trick to clean the paper feed rollers using the printer's built-in cleaning function, all without needing any special tools. If the jam persists, don't worry. We'll also demonstrate how to access the printer's internal cleanout door to remove any stubborn paper pieces. By following these simple steps, you'll be a paper jam pro in no time. Watch now and say goodbye to printing frustration.